Planning something sweet for Valentine's Day but bored of the same old desserts? Want cupcakes that don't just taste amazing but look like love? Confused between romantic, cute, elegant, or Instagram-worthy cupcake designs? Wondering how to impress your partner, guests, or even customers with simple ingredients? What if one cupcake could say, "I love you," without words? Stay with us, because today we're answering every question you have about Valentine cupcake ideas. From flavours to designs, beginners to pros, and budget-friendly to luxury looks. What makes a cupcake perfect for Valentine's Day? A Valentine cupcake is all about emotion and presentation. Soft textures, romantic colours like red, pink and white, and thoughtful details turn a simple cupcake into a love symbol. It should feel personal, indulgent, and visually irresistible. When flavour and design work together, the cupcake becomes more than dessert. It becomes a gesture. Which cupcake flavours work best for Valentine's celebrations? Classic flavours like red velvet, chocolate fudge, vanilla bean and strawberry are Valentine favourites. These flavours feel comforting, romantic and universally loved. You can elevate them with fillings like cream cheese, chocolate ganache or berry compote to add a surprise element inside every bite. If these flavour ideas sparked inspiration, hit like and share this video with someone planning a Valentine's celebration. It really helps spread the love. How can I decorate Valentine cupcakes without advanced baking skills? You don't need professional tools to create beautiful cupcakes. Simple piping with buttercream swirls, heart-shaped sprinkles, or edible pearls can instantly elevate the look. Even a single fondant heart or chocolate drizzle can make your cupcakes feel festive and romantic. Minimal effort can still create maximum impact. What colour themes look best for Valentine cupcakes? Soft pinks, deep reds, ivory whites and subtle gold accents work beautifully together. These shades instantly communicate romance and warmth. You can keep it monochrome for elegance or mix two complementary colours for a playful vibe. The key is consistency. Choose a palette and stick to it across all cupcakes. Are filled cupcakes a good idea for Valentine's Day? Absolutely. Filled cupcakes add an element of surprise that feels intimate and indulgent. Chocolate lava, strawberry cream, raspberry jam, or caramel centres make every bite memorable. When someone cuts into the cupcake and discovers the filling, it creates a moment, perfect for Valentine's Day. How can cupcakes be personalised for a partner or loved one? Personalisation makes cupcakes unforgettable. You can add initials, short messages, or symbols that mean something special to you both. Even choosing a flavour your partner loves shows thoughtfulness. A personalised cupcake feels handmade with love rather than store-bought. Tell us in the comments, what flavour would your Valentine love the most? Chocolate, strawberry, or something unique? What are some cute Valentine cupcake topper ideas? Heart toppers, mini love notes, edible roses, or chocolate decorations instantly enhance cupcakes. You can also use simple paper toppers with romantic words or symbols. Toppers help communicate the Valentine theme clearly while adding height and visual interest to your display. Can Valentine cupcakes be elegant instead of cute? Yes, elegance works beautifully for Valentine's Day. Minimal designs with smooth frosting, soft textures, and subtle details like gold flakes or delicate piping feel luxurious. These cupcakes are perfect for romantic dinners, weddings, or upscale celebrations where less truly feels like more. If you love elegant dessert ideas like this, check out our Valentine baking playlist in the description. It's packed with inspiration. How can cupcakes fit into a romantic dinner setup? Cupcakes can act as both dessert and decor. Display them on tiered stands, match them with candles and flowers, and coordinate colours with your table setting. When cupcakes complement the overall ambience, they enhance the romantic experience instead of just ending the meal. Are Valentine cupcakes suitable for gifting? Cupcakes make wonderful gifts because they're personal and joyful. Pack them in clear boxes, tie with ribbons, or add handwritten notes for a thoughtful touch. Gifting cupcakes shows effort, creativity, and care, qualities that define Valentine's Day. How can cupcakes be made kid-friendly for Valentine's parties? For kids, keep designs fun and colourful. Use playful heart shapes, bright sprinkles, and mild flavours like vanilla or chocolate. Let kids decorate their own cupcakes. It turns dessert into an activity and creates joyful Valentine memories they'll remember. How far in advance can Valentine cupcakes be prepared? Cupcakes can be baked a day in advance and stored properly to maintain freshness. Frosting and decorations are best added closer to serving time for the best appearance. Planning ahead reduces stress and allows you to focus on presentation and experience. What mistakes should be avoided when making Valentine cupcakes? Avoid over-complicating designs or mixing too many colours. Overbaking can dry out cupcakes, and excessive frosting can overpower flavours. Simplicity, balance, and attention to detail are what make Valentine cupcakes successful. How can cupcakes be used for Valentine-themed content or business? Valentine cupcakes are perfect for content creation, gifting, and small baking businesses. They photograph beautifully, attract seasonal demand, and allow creative expression. With the right theme and presentation, they can boost engagement, sales, and brand appeal. So, can a cupcake really say, "I love you"? Yes, when it's thoughtfully flavoured, beautifully decorated, and made with intention. Whether you're baking for your partner, family, kids, or customers, Valentine cupcakes turn simple ingredients into emotional moments. From cute to elegant, budget-friendly to luxurious, the perfect Valentine cupcake isn't about perfection. It's about love baked into every bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with someone who loves baking or Valentine celebrations. Comment below and tell us, are you Team Chocolate or Team Strawberry this Valentine's Day? Explore our full Valentine dessert playlist, linked in the description for more creative ideas. Subscribe to the channel for weekly baking inspiration, festive ideas, and creative desserts. Want more videos like this? You'll find similar Valentine and celebration content in the description. All tools and products used in this video are linked in the description for easy access.